Hey guys, welcome back to the Steelmade Test Kitchen. I'm Josh Wild, and today we're joined by a special guest, Maria. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. Maria is the owner of a couple Michelin star restaurants, right?
No.
And what are you doing here?
I'm my dad. I'm the boss's daughter.
You're the boss's daughter. We better do this right. Okay, today we're making rainbow bread. Yes. All right, so we got a cross section on the first one, or on the first time we recorded, but then we realized the microphone wasn't on. I think that was your fault.
Hey, it was not my fault.
Oh, he said, she said. So here's that cross section that we got that first time. Pretty cool, right?
Yeah.
We made this yesterday. That was fun, right?
Mm-hmm.
Got a little messy. We stained the countertop.
Yeah.
Don't tell your dad.
I will.
Okay. You will?
Mm-hmm.
You will tell your dad?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's do this. We got some mozzarella cheese, and we're gonna dye it red, yellow, green, and blue. Which one do you want to do?
Red and blue.
Red and blue? Okay, let's put some gloves on. There you go. You're taking red because it's your favorite color?
Mm-hmm.
What if I want to do red?
Well, it's like...
I can't do anything. Green, 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 green. So how long have you been in the restaurant business?
on a restaurant.
How's your red coming? That looks like blood.
It does. Is that good?
I mean,
It's supposed to be red.
I guess. Blood is red and blue. Did you know that? Blood is also blue?
No, but
Mm-hmm.
I've seen it on aliens.
You've seen it on Aliens?
Yeah, I know that.
You saw an alien?
No, I've seen it on movies.
What movie?
Aliens.
Oh, is that a Disney movie?
No, it is not.
Is it Princess and Alien?
No, it is not.
Don't laugh at me.
Can't help it. It's your fault.
I'm not. I'm very serious. Blue's looking good too. This is gonna be cool.
I've never seen rainbow cheese before.
Me neither.
Except for the last time.
These aside and get ready to fire up this Steelmade flat top. All right, we're gonna cut this bread. I'm gonna give you a few guiding slices,
Okay.
and then you can do the rest, okay? Okay, go for it. Nice, nice. Try to keep your fingers out of the way. I wonder if it tastes like Lucky Charms. Look at all those crumbs. Okay, so grilled cheese is pretty simple. We're gonna put down some butter. Get that on the heat. We're just gonna put the bread directly down on it. I'm gonna grab a couple pieces of bread. All right. One right there. One right there. Nice. So these are gonna brown up, and then we're gonna flip them, and then we'll put the cheese on it, and we'll put the cheese like red, yellow, green, and then blue. So whenever we pull it apart, it's gonna be all rainbowy. So we're gonna wait till these brown, we'll flip it, and because it's hot on the bottom of it, it should start melting the cheese. Let's put some cheese on there. Okay, you're doing all of it. Okay, nice. A little bit here and a little bit there. Let's do that.
Oh,
Cool.
that looks really good.
It does look good. This is gonna look really cool. A little bit more blue. Nice. That's good. All right. Yellow or orange?
It's yellow.
That's yellow.
Just a little bit there.
Mm-hmm. And then let's do green up here. Nice.
That looks good.
Nice. It does look good. Do a little bit more because I like cheese. I think we're good on green. Okay, and so now we're gonna smash that All right, now flip. Whoa. Try again. Nice flip. Okay. That's where we keep Mikey. He's just eating all that stuff that we're giving him. How you doing, Mikey? All right, these are done. So let's get them pulled off. Ready? Nice. Nice, just put some pressure on it. A little bit. Yeah, perfect, that's it. Don't pull. Now just pull it out. There we go. Let's look at that. Oh my goodness.
It's really sticky.
That is really sticky. That's cool though.
Yeah.
Well, that's our rainbow bread.
Yeah.
Nice, that was fun. We'll put this on a plate so we can give it to Mikey.
Yeah.
You ready, Mikey?
Yeah.
Yeah. Thanks for joining us in the Steelmade Test Kitchen. I'm Josh Wild.
And I'm racist.
And that was rainbow bread. We'll see you next week. Don't forget to like and subscribe.